A room with a view of the whole city. Fashion luxury, that's what he's got pretty.
A new hotel has opened in the city of Vienna, and it is an autograph hotel. It is a hotel that truly has something historical to offer if you take a little time to learn about what it has experienced in history. So, this place used to be a horse and rider school, mainly for horses. This site has been converted. At some point, there was a Delta Hotel. This Delta Hotel became a Renaissance Hotel, and from that hotel it then became, yes, an autograph hotel. And I am at the Imperial Riding School in Vienna. They have done a nice job. So it has really become a beautiful hotel which, as I call it, is an influencer hotel. What do I mean by that? When you walk in, you have this optical all-around effect. It means that at first, you are basically wowed, saying how beautiful it is. So, it looks good from the outside, then you come in, and it's well done inside too. Everything visually appealing, yes, like those influencer photos where you can take beautiful pictures as nice memories. And everyone says, "Man, where have you been in which beautiful hotel?" Of course, certain things are supposed to be hidden as well. This means that the lack of staff is not sufficient. And then, of course, there is the need for professional staff. Many young people who first have to learn how to work in a hotel and actually do not know exactly what is what. Everything is nice, everything is okay, yes, but still, well, there is still a bit of professionalism missing in this entire area. However, regarding the hotel, if you can get a relatively good price, not during a peak time, but at a time when the price is right in relation to the quality offered here, I would assess and categorize this hotel as a relatively nice, good 4-star plus hotel. Everything is made to be very modern and contemporary. However, this does not mean it is infused with quality. Rather, it features this ultra-modern influencer design where everything can be positioned for photography, but nothing can be touched. As soon as you touch the lamp or anything else, it falls apart. This is not high quality, so there is no quality except for the bed. And we come to the hotel to sleep in a hotel. And that's why I slept very well on this mattress. And above all, I had a nice feather-free pillow. It was really pleasant. I was able to have a fantastic night sleeping well at the new Imperial Riding School. It was fun, really. It's like when you arrive, you have a sense of appreciation as an ambassador member, which means for us members that you are already part of it, and see if you can also get a nice upgrade. That means I booked a small category. It was a suite, a junior suite fly, and then I was upgraded to this junior suite. I received a lovely treatment, really excellent, which made me very happy. I was greeted very personally, and it was a lot of fun. It was also mentioned that the minibar, which was filled with drinks, included juices, water, and chips, which I could use for free. I think it's a nice idea for 2021 because it's a little extra service. And as an autograph hotel, since there is no lounge, there is the option to also use the breakfast. I had breakfast here and must say, the coffee and the coffee machine are really fantastic. I really enjoyed it. And then there are also good types of tea. This doesn't mean cheap hotel tea, but rather real tea. For example, I always make sure to have chamomile tea. So they had a chamomile tea that was made from chamomile flowers. And I mean, that's good. It shows that this has good quality. So then I ordered a few egg dishes and they were all fine. With this story, I am of course spoiled by the Imperial Hotel. When you have a Josef brought there and then get a scrambled egg paste underneath instead of real mushrooms and truffles, it was more of a mushroom truffle paste. I had a bit of difficulty, but still, it was edible. Everything was delicious. They did a great job with the fried egg and the items available like salmon and such. So, it's really the case that you get a relatively high-quality breakfast, not like the classic Marriott, which is industrially produced. There are really beautiful products, and that's why I enjoyed it. There are new, dedicated employees here. This means I hope that the time will come when these employees, who are still fresh and young, will eventually become professional, so that one feels that they do not need to provide development aid here, but rather that they are the guests who are well taken care of. This will take a little longer, but at least there is good quality for now. And I can, and everyone who is here should do this, do everything myself. That means go to the coffee and make it at the machine just the way you need it. Then you can of course go to the coffee machine, rinse your cup with hot water beforehand, and then make yourself a nice fresh hot coffee. This is for young people who work here. They put the thing there, press it, and bring you the coffee. It's already cold. Yeah, so from that side, you should do things yourself. And I was also excited. They have a sauna facility here and they have a small pool here. On the one hand, I do have to question this a bit, because they have everything in miniature form. That means if this hotel, which is quite large and has many rooms, has a lot of guests and everyone goes to the pool and sauna, the thing is, I would say a maximum of 40 people can fit in there, then it is overcrowded. Yes, really overcrowded. And when there are 500 or 300 people here, there is no chance. you have no chance to use that service, and you are paying for it. But if you happen to have such a nice stay like I did, when there isn't much going on, then you can almost have this pool to yourself, which, as I said, is a bit too small. The saunas are also relatively small and lacking. They should actually be 5 times larger. The pool should also be 5 times as big. There is a wonderful outdoor terrace here where you can sit nicely. You can also enjoy a nice cappuccino and such. Yes, and that is what is exciting. It is, of course, a young, fresh, modern hotel. Everything is well renovated. So it's not the case that one would say it is cheaply done. Rather, it is exactly what excites young people. For example, young people today are no longer focused on quality. They want something that looks good so they can take photos. And that is exactly what is being catered to here. That means you get what you can do outside with some influencer stories option, and then they have a bed, and that, in terms of cleanliness, it's just the beginning. I no longer expect hotels to have anything to do with cleanliness in their first year. They first need to find their employees, who are often only sporadically available. When things get busy, they just book a few cleaning staff who have never been here before, and they are supposed to clean. It just doesn't work. So, once again, the issue of security needs to be addressed, as it is dramatic that at a new hotel, the elevators do not work with the key card. This means that anyone can enter the hotel, anyone, regardless of who they are. When I come in from outside, I can easily pass by the reception because everything is far away, and when they are working, no one notices. I go to the elevators, go up and look for an open door, and then I can sit down inside. The same applies to breakfast. If you are there for breakfast, there is practically a table that controls it. Those who come for breakfast are at a significant disadvantage. That means if there are 3 or 4 people standing there, I wait for the moment until I see that she doesn't see me. Boy, I'm at breakfast. I can eat and drink whatever I want. None of that matters anymore, as there are no questions being asked about it. This hotel is definitely problematic in terms of security because anyone can access the rooms and there is no protection against that. And I want to put it this way, I have no idea if there is a security area here where the cameras monitor who comes in. Let us hope that this is the case. In any case, as far as guest control is concerned, that is also ensured here. Please remember, when you go into these rooms, that when you leave, you definitely turn everything off. You always have to remember that you need to find a plug in some form when you are charging something so that it doesn't turn off. That's still a bit difficult. So, other than that, I felt comfortable during this one overnight stay. I found a nice welcome. As for the price-performance ratio, one has to see when to get a good rate. As an Ambassador Member Titanium, one can expect an upgrade as well as a late checkout. And from the side, it was a nice bed. I got my pillow and I could sleep well. There is also a bathtub here where you can take a nice bath, and there is a shower. Everything worked out somehow, and I met relatively nice staff here, had a beautiful reception area, and received great treatment. In summary, I can say that anyone in Vienna looking for a fresh, new, young, designer influencer hotel will certainly find a great, beautiful, informative, and above all, relaxed accommodation option at the Autograph Hotel in the Imperial Riding School. Now let's take a look at the whole hotel with a B-room tour. Enjoy.
I just wanna go further. You don't let me, you hold me, babe, you. Oh, babe, you, yeah. Give me away, you stole me. Let me lick 'cause I'm full and need it. I need it. I'm so tired of this, I'm tired of the fights, I'm tired of the pressure. I don't wanna go wherever you go, 'cause love is so wasted. And you got me fist, and I don't want to feel